Welcome to Webydo. In this short tutorial, we'll learn how to add pages to our site and the different navigation modes. In order to add a menu to your page, click on the menu icon or just drag and drop the icon like that. By default, a new menu with 4 categories will be placed on the canvas. Now you can add, delete, and edit each one of the categories. On the top menu panel, you can set the exact size and positioning of the menu. Here you can define if the menu would be vertical or horizontal. You can also set the text direction to align to the right or to the left, a very useful feature for right-to-left languages. After you've designed more than one menu, you can easily switch between your menus in the Select Menu field. Just choose your desired menu out of the drop-down list. The dynamic option sets the width of each category respectively to the width of the text of its title. You can control the structure of the menu, adding new categories, deleting categories, or adding submenus. Just double-click a category on your menu, and you will see 4 signs surrounding it. To delete this category, press the X sign above it. To add another category to the right or left side of this category, but on the same hierarchy, just press the plus sign on the appropriate side. If you want to add a submenu, press the plus sign beneath the category, and you'll immediately see a drop-down menu added beneath it. In this menu, you can set up the target for the submenu, an internal page, or an external link. In the Properties panel on the right side, you can set the appearance of the menu in each of its states. Normal state is the regular view of the menu. The rollover state is the appearance of the menu categories when a mouse rolls over them. The active state determines the appearance of a category once a user clicks on it. In each state, you can determine the size, fill, and stroke of the item and the appearance of the text in it. Marking the Edit States Together checkbox on the Normal State tab will set all design changes on all states simultaneously. In the Size tab, you can set the width and height of the category and its top and bottom margins from the menu's bounding box. The left and right margins will set the space between each category and another. Under the Fill tab, you can set a color or an image as the category's background. In the Stroke tab, you can make changes to the appearance of the stroke. In the Font tab, you can set the font appearance, including the text padding, which is responsible for the location of the text in the category area. In order to organize the structure of your site, open up the Pages and Navigation window by clicking Pages in the upper menu or clicking the plus sign on the Pages tabs. In this window, you can view the structure of your site, add or delete pages, and control your menus. On the top left of the window, you can see your current top menu tab. Press the plus icon next to it to add a new menu. This new menu will have its own site tree pages. You can name it and save it in your Pages and Navigation window. Each page in this window has Page Settings, the ability to duplicate or delete the page, and SEO. In the Page Settings, under Title Name, you can name each page. You can then choose to include this page in a different menu. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and these settings help you improve the ranking of your website in search engines by adding title description and keywords. If you want to reorder the pages of your site, go back to the site tree on the main window and press the cursor icon on the left of the page, then drag it to the right position in the site tree. You can also drag a page on the top of another page to create nested pages. On the upper right side, you can edit the name of your menu or delete it. If you want to add a page, click on the New Page icon. This action will close this pop-up window and redirect you to choose a page layout for your new page. You can use the blank option to start from scratch with a blank canvas. Or you can choose between different layouts such as About Us, Galleries, Services, Contact Us, and Forms. For each layout, you have some nice structure examples that you can fully adjust to suit your own needs. This layout will affect only the main content area of the new page and won't affect your header or footer at all. Use the Page tabs to move between the different pages of your site and continue working on their design. If you want to add a link to your menu, press New Link in the Pages and Navigation window. You can make your link internal and set the page you want it to lead to under Page Name, or set it to lead to an external page by setting a specific URL address. Thanks for watching this tutorial about how to add pages and the different navigation modes. If you have any questions, we're always here to help.